Alright, so Samsung are scheduled to be releasing their next generation of Galaxy Buds, tagged the Galaxy Buds 2, alongside the Z Flip 3, Z Fold 3, and Galaxy Watch 4 in their events in August. Sorry to disappoint you, but the Galaxy Buds 2 aren't really anything special. In fact, they're basically the same as what I have right here. Hey there tech heads, welcome back to TechPhD, where we talk about everything tech for everyone. And like I was saying earlier, the Galaxy Buds 2 are basically the exact same as these. Now these are the Galaxy Buds Pro, and the Galaxy Buds 2 borrow not just their design, but almost all of the same features from the Galaxy Buds Pro. But first let's start with the design. Now we all know the design of the Galaxy Buds Pro are these oval-ish buds with the glossy finish on the outside and silicone tips, right? That's what we're used to. Let's take a look at these leaked images of the Galaxy Buds 2. What do you see over there? Oval buds, glossy finish, silicone tips. But the silicone tips here are a bit more transparent than those on the Galaxy Buds Pro, and we can see that this metal grill on the Galaxy Buds Pro has been replaced with the normal microphone hole. Now I don't know if that's going to make active noise cancellation or even ambient mode worse or better on the Galaxy Buds 2, but we'll have to wait until we get our hands on them in order to see. Now going to the other half of the Galaxy Buds 2, the software. We also got leaked screenshots of the Galaxy Wearables app with the Buds 2 connected to them. And we can see that a ton of features are exactly the same as on the Buds Pro, but we still have some missing features as well. Features such as 360-degree audio, which is similar to Apple's spatial audio, where when you're consuming content, when you turn your head to the left or the right, the content that you're consuming follows in your earbuds to the direction of your head. That is missing on the Galaxy Buds 2. Another category that is completely missing from the Galaxy Buds 2, as we can see here, is there is no Galaxy Labs tab. So the Galaxy Labs tab is where we had experimental features such as the gaming mode to reduce latency while playing games. Now personally, I believe Samsung is doing the exact same thing that Google did with the Pixel Buds by stripping out some features and bringing them out as a cheaper version called the Pixel Buds A. Samsung is stripping down some of the features from the Buds Pro and bringing them out as the Buds 2. This is the exact opposite of what they did with the Buds Plus and the Galaxy Buds, because we know that the Galaxy Buds Plus were a significant upgrade over the normal Buds despite having the exact same design. You got better sound quality, better microphone quality, and a ton more battery life. But we get kind of like the opposite here. You don't get better sound quality, you don't get better microphone quality, you actually lose some features and it's the exact same design. But the advantage is it's a bit cheaper. I don't know exactly what the price is, but rumors are going around saying that this will be sub $200, which is not a bad price for what you still get because they will still retain active noise cancellation, which is pretty good. Now, the thing is, I also believe that the Galaxy Buds 2 were not created as an upgrade over the Galaxy Buds Pro, but more of an incentive for more people to pre-order the Galaxy Z Flip 3 or Z Fold 3 or something like that, as they are likely to be pre-order bonuses. But let me know what you think about this entire situation in the comment section right below the like button. I have a ton more Galaxy Buds videos on the channel, like my last video comparing all generations of the Galaxy Buds, so you can check out all my videos on that right here.